Are you troubled about how to add signatures to PDF? In this video, I'll show you 5 solutions to sign PDF easily. Let's start by introducing the online tool. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Go to the official PDFgear website. On the website, you'll find a range of PDF tools. The editing and conversion tools are also free to use. Today, we'll show you how to sign PDF documents using PDFgear's online tools. Click the Add Electronic Signatures button to use this tool. Upload the PDF you want to sign. This is the online PDF editing tool from PDFgear. Click the Add or Edit Annotations button. Now, you can add signatures to the PDF. It supports 3 types of signatures. You can draw a signature, type a text signature, or upload an image as a signature. Move the cursor to the location where you want to place your signature and click. The signature can also be easily moved. Once you've signed the PDF, click Download to get the signed document. Here is the PDF we just signed using PDFgear's online tool. PDFgear not only provides online tools, but its app is faster and easier to use if you're looking for a PDF editor for Windows. Visit the PDFgear website to download the PDFgear app for Windows. Double-click the installation package and follow the steps to install PDFgear on your computer. To sign PDFs, select the Edit tab and find the Signature button. To create a new signature, PDFgear offers 3 options. Your recently used signatures will be saved here. You can click on them directly to use them without recreating them. You can choose from an image signature, a drawn signature, or a typed signature. Select an image as your signature. Check this box to remove all white pixels from the image. This will leave you with only the handwriting, without any background. Resize it by dragging the handles to adjust the size. Once you're satisfied with the position and size, you can choose to flatten the signature into the PDF. After flattening, the signature cannot be edited or deleted from the PDF. You can also type any text to create your signature. Here, you can change the font style. There are many font options available. If you want to re-enter the text, the Clear button will help. Enter your desired text and click OK to apply it as your signature. Before flattening, the signature can be adjusted or deleted. In addition to image and text signatures, you can also draw your signature directly. Select Write Mode to draw your signature. Then draw your signature here. You can adjust the thickness of the pen before drawing. Once done, apply the signature to the PDF. Before flattening, the signature can be placed on multiple pages. Click this button and choose the page range to apply the signature. Click OK. The signature has now been applied to all pages of the PDF. You can also flatten all signatures in batch. Click Flatten, and all signatures in the PDF will be flattened. This is how to sign PDFs with PDFgear on Windows. PDFgear is also available for Mac, iPad, and iPhone. Users can download PDFgear directly from the App Store. Search for PDFgear in the App Store. Now, let's see how to sign PDFs on Mac. Just like on Windows, Mac also supports 3 types of signatures: text draw, and image signatures. You can sign on paper, take a photo, and upload the image to PDFgear to use it as a signature. You can also remove the background from the signature. Adding it to the PDF is just like signing on paper. Resize and apply the signature. Right-click to apply the signature. Once applied, the signature cannot be changed. You can also type your name to create a signature. Select Keyboard Mode and type your name for the signature. Don't forget to choose a font for your signature. Click Done to save and place it in the PDF. Right-click or tap with 2 fingers on your trackpad to remove or apply the signature. If there are signatures you no longer need, you can delete them manually. The 3rd type of signature is drawing one using your trackpad. Select Trackpad mode to draw your signature. Click Done to save and apply it to the PDF, just like the typed signature. This is how to sign on Mac devices. Next, let's see how to sign a PDF on iPad and iPhone. The PDFgear app for iPad and iPhone can be downloaded from the App Store, and the process is the same. Click to enter editing mode. Select Fill and Sign mode and find the Sign button. Type your name and select the font color for your signature. You can also save the signature to your device. Find and click the location where you want to place your signature. Then click the signature to flatten, copy, or delete it. The signature will be saved if you choose to save it to your device. You can also draw a new signature. Click to place and adjust the signature just like the typed one. Once flattened, the signature cannot be changed. PDFgear on iOS also supports importing images as signatures. Select Image Mode and upload the image. Drag the resizing handles to adjust it. This is how to sign on iOS devices. PDFgear is also available on Android devices now. Search for PDFgear in your browser. Click Free Download to install PDFgear on your device. The Android version of PDFgear works similarly to the iOS version. Enter editing mode. Select Fill and Sign mode and find the Sign button. Create a signature. 3 types of signatures are supported. Find and click the location where you want to place your signature. Then you can sign PDFs for free on Android devices. These are the 5 ways to sign PDFs using PDFgear. PDFgear is an all-in-one PDF editor. It can edit PDF files, add comments to PDFs, convert PDFs to or from other formats, reorder PDF pages. It also supports chatting with PDFs. Download PDFgear and give it a try. Follow this channel for more PDF tips. See you in the next video.